The fashion industry is changing. For too long, it has been a major polluter. Now there's a growing movement towards sustainability. Sustainable fashion is about reducing the industry's environmental impact. It's about creating clothes in a way that's better for people and the planet. Fast fashion has come at a cost. Discarded clothing often ends up in landfills. The fashion industry uses a lot of water. Toxic chemicals pollute our rivers and oceans. Awareness is growing. Consumers are more conscious of their fashion choices. They're demanding transparency from brands. This shift is driving change. Sustainable fashion is the future. It's about making choices that benefit people and the planet. We can all be a part of the fashion revolution. One of the most exciting aspects of sustainable fashion is the innovation in textiles. Traditional fabrics, like cotton, can have a significant environmental footprint. However, new eco-friendly alternatives are emerging. Organic cotton, grown without harmful pesticides, is becoming increasingly popular. This sustainable alternative reduces water pollution and protects the health of farmers. Hemp, a fast-growing and durable fiber, requires minimal water and pesticides. Its natural resistance to pests makes it an excellent choice for sustainable farming. Recycled materials are also gaining traction. Fabrics made from recycled plastic bottles, for example, reduce waste and conserve resources. These innovative materials are transforming the fashion industry, offering stylish and sustainable alternatives. The development of new bio-based materials, like those derived from mushrooms or algae, is pushing the boundaries of sustainable fashion. These materials offer hope for a future where fashion and sustainability go hand in hand. The concept of a circular economy is central to sustainable fashion. It aims to eliminate waste by keeping materials in use for as long as possible. In a circular fashion system, clothes are designed for durability, repair, and recycling. Clothing rental platforms are gaining popularity, allowing consumers to access fashion without owning it. This reduces the demand for new clothing production and minimizes waste. Repairing and upcycling clothes extends their lifespan and keeps them out of landfills. When clothes can no longer be worn, they are recycled into new materials or products. This closed-loop system minimizes waste and reduces the need for virgin resources. By embracing circularity, the fashion industry can significantly reduce its environmental impact. Sustainable fashion is not just about the environment, it's also about people. Ethical fashion focuses on ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and the well-being of garment workers throughout the supply chain. Transparency and traceability are crucial aspects of ethical fashion. Consumers are demanding to know where their clothes come from and who made them. Brands are responding by providing greater transparency into their supply chains, allowing consumers to make informed choices. Fair trade certifications ensure that workers are paid fair wages and work in safe conditions. Supporting brands that prioritize ethical practices is essential for creating a more just and equitable fashion industry. By choosing ethical fashion, consumers can help to create a positive impact on the lives of garment workers. Section 5. The conscious consumer driving change with every purchase. Consumer awareness is a powerful force driving the shift towards sustainable fashion. As consumers become more informed about the social and environmental impacts of their choices, they are demanding change. Social media has played a significant role in raising awareness about sustainable fashion. Influencers and activists use their platforms to educate consumers and promote ethical brands. This increased awareness has put pressure on brands to address their environmental and social footprints. Consumers are increasingly willing to invest in high-quality, durable pieces that will last longer. They're also embracing second-hand clothing and rental platforms as sustainable alternatives to fast fashion. The power lies with the consumer. By making conscious choices and supporting sustainable brands, we can collectively drive the fashion industry towards a more responsible and sustainable future. Section 6. Fashion Forward Tech. Innovating for a sustainable future. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in driving sustainability in the fashion industry. From innovative materials to efficient production processes, technology is transforming how clothes are designed, manufactured, and consumed. 3D printing is revolutionizing fashion design and production. This technology allows designers to create customized garments with minimal waste. It also reduces the need for transportation, as clothes can be printed on demand closer to the consumer. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being used to optimize supply chains, reduce overproduction, and minimize waste. AI algorithms can analyze data to predict demand more accurately, leading to more efficient production and inventory management. Virtual fashion and digital design tools are also gaining traction. These technologies allow designers to experiment with different fabrics and styles without needing physical samples. This reduces waste and allows for greater creativity in the design process. Section 7. The hurdles of sustainability. Challenges on the runway to change. While the shift towards sustainable fashion is gaining momentum, challenges remain. The industry is complex, and achieving true sustainability requires addressing systemic issues throughout the supply chain. One of the biggest challenges is the affordability of sustainable fashion. Eco-friendly materials and ethical production practices often come at a higher cost. Making sustainable fashion accessible to all consumers is crucial for widespread adoption. Greenwashing, where brands make misleading claims about their sustainability practices, is another concern. Consumers need to be able to trust the information provided by brands and make informed choices. Collaboration and innovation are essential for overcoming these challenges. By working together, brands, designers, policymakers, and consumers can create a more sustainable and equitable fashion industry. Section 8. The future of fashion towards a greener tomorrow. The future of fashion is undeniably intertwined with sustainability. Expect more innovative solutions and a greater emphasis on ethical practices. Regenerative agriculture is gaining traction in the fashion industry. This promotes soil health, biodiversity, and carbon sequestration. Bio-based materials from renewable sources are revolutionizing the industry. The future of fashion is about creating a closed-loop system. It's a future where style and sustainability go hand in hand.